Okay, good morning. Today's topic is that means how can you provide a solution for the 0% processing? Here, what is a 0% processing while uploading the our YouTube video? That means previously I faced that problem here. That means I uploaded one video. At the time, I found here 0% 0% processing, but here I wait for the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. After one day it will show say same 0% uploading. Here in the 90% uploaded, that is a 0% processing. That is called here 0% processing problem. Here how can you provide a solution for that problem here? Here that means here 95% process is there, but here previously I faced the problem as a 0% processing. Here how can you get a solution for that one? Here go to, that means first go to your Google account, www.google.com. Go to your Google account. After that, go to your settings here. That means you will identify the new tab, Windows tab, history. Here you identify the settings. Here click on settings. Here if you click on settings here go to, you identify the different things, some autofill password. Here if you have in the identify one thing that is called here, go okay, go to advanced settings. Yeah, you go to, that means come to bottom. Here bottom you will identify the advanced settings. Within a advanced settings you will find out the clear. That means if you find the clear browsing data option. Yeah, recently clear browsing, restore browsing, clear up the computer, or otherwise control F. Yeah, you will identify the clear, clear. Yeah, here you will identify the clear browsing data. Here clear browsing data, come to here. Yeah, you will have the basic. Here if you find out the basic here you will clear the all data, basic data. Yeah, click on clear. It will clear the all related data, clear the history from the assigned devices, and then it will clear the cookies and then cache data. Not only clear that information, you have to clear the some of the better to click on all information. Otherwise click the browsing history, download history, and then cookies, and then cached images and files. If you have the password also, auto auto fill data also clear. Better to clear that one. And then hosted app data. Here like that you clear the all data. That means it is enough. 3 4 items of data, you may clear the 4 items of data enough here. And then clear data, then your problem solved. That means after that I uploaded video that it shows like a 100% finish the processing. After uploading data here it shows a 100% processing. That means I faced this problem, and then this is a solution for